Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create WhatsApp link for your number. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do that. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the WhatsApp app and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to create a WhatsApp link for your number, you can head over to any text editor. For now, I'll open my notes. You can open up any text editor as you like. Now, in order to create a WhatsApp link for your number, first of all, you need to type in HTTPS, now give a colon, and then double slash. Now type in wa.me, again give a slash. Now enter your number. You need to make sure that this number has a registered WhatsApp account. Only after that, this link will work. So after that, you can copy this whole thing. Now head over to your preferred web browser. Now on your browser, paste the link you just copied and search for it. And there you go. It'll take you to the WhatsApp page. From here, it'll give you the option to continue to chat in WhatsApp app. Now tap on this continue to chat option and it'll open up the WhatsApp chat of your number. So in this way, you can share that link with others and they will be redirected to chat with your WhatsApp account number. So that's it. That's how you can create WhatsApp link for your number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.